In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your Telegram stories from specific people using the new Stories feature. By the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll know exactly how to control who can view each of your stories, giving you that extra layer of privacy and control every social messenger user wants. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Telegram app. You'll want to make sure you're on the main screen where you see all your chats lined up. If you're new to the Stories feature, you'll notice a camera icon at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and give that camera icon a tap. This is how you start making a new story, just like you would on Instagram or WhatsApp. After you tap the camera, you'll see options to add a photo or a video. Select whichever you want to share. Maybe you're showcasing a cool moment from your day or just a simple selfie. Whatever your preference, pick a photo or video that feels right. The key here is to remember that just like with other platforms, Telegram lets you express yourself however you want. Take your time with this choice, no rush. Once you've chosen your content, look for the option that says Create One Story. Tap that. This takes you to the next screen where you can add a caption. Captions are a great way to add personality or context to your story. Whether it's a funny comment, a quick hello from vacation, or just an emoji, typing in a caption helps make your story more engaging. Don't worry if you want to keep it short and sweet or long and detailed. Telegram gives you flexibility here. Now that your story is set up, tap Next. This is the part where we really focus in on privacy. You'll see a section labeled Who Can View My Story. This is one of Telegram's standout features. They let you choose exactly who gets to see what you post. From here, select My Contacts. This means, by default, everyone you've saved in your Telegram contacts list will be able to view your story. But what if there are a few friends, coworkers, or even family members you'd prefer not to share this particular moment with? Maybe you're posting a weekend adventure and you don't want your boss to see, or you're sharing some inside jokes that aren't for every contact. That's where the next step comes in. Telegram makes it really simple. You'll see an option right after selecting My Contacts to choose the specific people you don't want to see the story. Go ahead and tap on the names of anyone you'd like to exclude. Take a moment with this. You can scroll, search, and select several people, and don't worry, they won't be notified that you're hiding the story from them. It's a private selection just for your own control. Once you've done that, double-check your choices if you want. It's always good to make sure you've got the right list before you post. When you're ready, hit Post Story. That's it, your story goes live, but only for the audience you've chosen. You keep full control over your digital life, right down to who sees each moment. And that's how you hide Telegram stories from specific people using their new Stories feature. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or want to share your own tips? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, clear tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.